To move the cursor using the Gaze UI, simply move your head up, down, left, or right, and the pointer will follow. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Gaze UI Control tab. From left to right, the buttons are Home Screen, Switch to Stereoscopic Mode, Back, Scroll up, Scroll down, Toggle Gesture Control on or off, Zoom in, Zoom out, Settings, All tabs, Minimize UI tab, and finally the Toggle Auto Click. To select and open an application, navigate to its icon and click the Select button located on the top right side of the glasses. To move an application, simply hold down the Select button while the cursor is on the icon and drag it to your desired position. Once there, let go of the Select button and the application's icon will stay in that place. To turn on AutoClick, navigate to the UI Control tab and select the Toggle AutoClick button on the right side. Once activated, the cursor will automatically select anything it hovers over for more than a couple seconds, which is demonstrated here. In the UI Control tab, you can personalize your user interface by clicking the Settings button. From there, you can turn your head motion UI on or off, turn reverse motion on or off, and turn gesture debug on or off. Additionally, you can change gesture and tracking smoothing, turn click mode button delay on or off, change your cursor speed, change cursor click delay, and turn your device volume and brightness up or down. Finally, you can personalize your head motion UI color, change your menu icon sizes, and revisit the head motion or gesture tutorials.